Good morning, riders. It is Sunday, the 20-something of April, and I got a new old machine. Picked this up from a place called Morgan, Utah, a few days back, and paid $400 for it. So it does have a few issues. You see that? It really kind of looks like the whole frame is tweaked, but I don't think so. I think it's just the rack. So kind of hoping. It doesn't ride weird. It has a squeaky rear brake. I think the brake rotor itself is a little bit out of true, but shock works. It feels like all the bushings are good. The axle carrier is good. It starts sometimes a little bit intermittent for my taste, but we'll rectify that. The chain is an O-ring chain. Just needs some lube and some love. This thing is, that sounded a little sexual, apologize. But I paid $450 for this. Frankly, the plastic is probably worth somewhere around that. It's not perfect. There's some definite issues to it. But yeah, we're gonna give this little guy some love and get it back up and running. Got a bent handlebar and obviously the bent rack, little cut in the seat, little hole. But this is all stock. This is a 1987 model. Thanks to all the cool people there on Facebook, on the LT230 forum for helping me actually identify it. It does have the H in the 10th spot on the VIN. Ooh, got a nice little dinger there. And yeah, we'll get this guy up and running. I've got a new cage on the way. Hopefully I'll be able to straighten out that. Oh, this is really quite broke. But the electrical system works and everything. Let's see if we can get it started, shall we? So when I actually picked this up, we got it going, and then I parked it after test riding it real quick, and it wouldn't start again. So the issue was that this guy right here, this would actually ground itself out on the metal casing. As you can see, that moves around, so that's not good. We'll fix it. Got some bolts missing there. Definitely some brackets that aren't there anymore. I got bolts and whatnot from good old Ace Hardware. Nice stainless steel. And during the test, either he couldn't remember how to get the lights to turn on. Front light turns on. Rear light turns on. Totally stock exhaust. Rather rusty. That's okay. Little guy here was used on a farm for most of its life and literally parked in a barn for many years. And there it sat. So we're gonna rectify that. We're gonna have lots of fun. Kind of not fully restoring it, but cleaning everything up and making it fun for my wife and girls and myself to use. Should be a good time. And today we're gonna, hopefully in between doing laundry, we'll have time to do an oil change and do some lubrication of the chain and some basic cleaning. So yeah, if this is the sort of thing you like, please like the video and subscribe and do all the things. I'll wear this super cool deer hat more if you'd like me to. And look forward to seeing you next time. If you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments, and look forward to hearing from you. All right.